where the sun kissed the sky with hues of gold and the flowers bloomed in a kaleidoscope of colors, there dwelled a princess named Barbie. With hair as golden as the sun and eyes that sparkled like precious gems, Barbie was not only the ruler of her kingdom but also its shining beacon of kindness and compassion. Barbie's palace, a magnificent structure adorned with shimmering crystals and lush gardens, stood as a testament to the beauty and harmony of Rainbow Valley. Yet, it was Barbie's gentle heart and unwavering spirit that truly made her kingdom a magical place to behold. One bright morning, as Barbie strolled through the enchanted gardens of her palace, she heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, she discovered a tiny butterfly ensnared in a spider's web, its delicate wings fluttering desperately. Without hesitation, Barbie rushed to the butterfly's aid, gently freeing it from the sticky trap with her nimble fingers. As the butterfly fluttered freely into the sky, it turned to Barbie with a grateful smile. "Thank you, Princess Barbie," the butterfly chirped. "You have saved me from certain doom." Barbie smiled warmly, her heart swelling with happiness. "It was my pleasure," she replied. "In Rainbow Valley, we always look out for one another." Grateful for Barbie's kindness, the butterfly offered to grant her a wish as a token of appreciation. Barbie pondered for a moment before making her wish. "I wish for everyone in Rainbow Valley to experience the joy and wonder of friendship," she said earnestly. With a graceful flutter of its wings, the butterfly granted Barbie's wish, and in an instant, the entire kingdom was bathed in a radiant glow. From that day forth, the bonds of friendship grew stronger than ever in Rainbow Valley, and Barbie's heart swelled with happiness at the sight of her people living in harmony. But little did Barbie know, her kindness would soon be put to the test. Deep in the heart of the enchanted forest, a wicked sorceress named Molina plotted to cast a dark spell over Rainbow Valley and plunge it into eternal darkness. With her sinister magic, Molina sought to steal all the colors from the kingdom, leaving it dull and lifeless. As the days passed, Barbie noticed that the once vibrant colors of Rainbow Valley began to fade, replaced by a dreary grayness that sapped the joy from the land. Determined to uncover the cause of this dark magic, Barbie set out on a quest to confront Molina and restore the colors to her beloved kingdom. Venturing deep into the enchanted forest, Barbie encountered many challenges along the way. She crossed treacherous rivers, climbed towering mountains, and braved the darkest depths of the forest, all while staying true to her compassionate nature and helping those in need. At last, Barbie reached the heart of the forest, where Molina's dark castle loomed ominously against the sky. With courage in her heart and a glimmer of hope in her eyes, Barbie confronted the sorceress and demanded that she release Rainbow Valley from her wicked spell. But Molina, fueled by envy and bitterness, refused to heed Barbie's plea. With a malevolent cackle, she unleashed her dark magic upon Barbie, hoping to extinguish the light of her kindness once and for all. But Barbie stood strong, her spirit unyielding in the face of adversity. Drawing upon the power of friendship and love that flowed through her veins, Barbie fought back against Molina's dark magic, weaving a tapestry of light and color that enveloped the sorceress in its radiant embrace. As the light of Barbie's kindness banished the darkness from the land, the colors of Rainbow Valley returned in a dazzling display of beauty and splendor. Molina, defeated and humbled by Barbie's unwavering spirit, retreated into the shadows, never to threaten the kingdom again. With peace restored to Rainbow Valley once more, Barbie returned to her palace, where she was greeted with cheers and applause from her grateful subjects. But amidst the celebrations, Barbie knew that the true magic of her kingdom lay not in its shimmering jewels or majestic palaces, but in the boundless power of kindness and friendship that dwelled within the hearts of its people. And so, with a smile upon her lips and a twinkle in her eye, Princess Barbie vowed to continue spreading love and joy throughout Rainbow Valley for all the days to come, ensuring that its colors would shine bright forevermore. And thus, the tale of Barbie and the colors of kindness became a cherished legend in the land of Rainbow Valley, reminding all who heard it of the enduring power of love, friendship, and courage.